Hello friends and potential friends. As you can see, it's about time to harvest some turmeric. It's been kind of cool here the last couple of weeks, and the turmeric's all starting to die back. It's kind of my weather sensor. It's usually the last thing to sprout in the spring and the first thing to die out in the fall when it gets cool. Usually the ginger's right behind it. And let's go walk over here. As you can see in the ginger jungle, that's dying back too. I'll probably be digging into those pots next week sometime. But for right now, it's turmeric. I've got 3 pots of turmeric. There is a little bit over in the experimental bed over there, but I think I'll probably just leave that in there. Let it come up again next spring. So I got me a tub to dump these things into and a couple of buckets so I can clean them off a little bit. So let's get into it and see what we got under there. Okay, first bucket. Cut off these greens. And I think I'll try to save some of these leaves. And we will just dump the pot into here. Now the fun part starts. Digging in to see what we've got. Well, that's not going to be a real large harvest. Let's see what I've got here. Well, that's a tiny little harvest for the first 2 plants. Hopefully we'll see some improvement over that. Sure I didn't miss any in that one. I think there's a couple more plants in here. Yeah, there's something starting to show through. Boy, smells good. That's probably one of the seed tubers. Let's take this one off. Let's see what we got here. Another kind of small set of roots. That's another small one. This looks a little more promising. And I'm pulling some of the nodes off. throwing those in the wrong bucket. Yeah, that's not that bad. That'll give me some to plant and some to use. That is the yield out of the first container. Not too bad. I never complain when I get a harvest. Let's see what we've got in container number 2. Let's see, looks like I've got one plant here. And I got 3 or 4 nodes off of that one. And a few small nodes off of that one. Few small nodes there. My apologies for the barking dogs. They're just dogs being dogs. They haven't figured out what the property lines are yet. And to be honest, I think the cats harass them. So I can't really blame them when they're barking. They're just protecting their property. And only a few small nodes off of that one. Looks like it's going to be a slim harvest this year. And I got one more pot over there. And this one looks like it's got 3 plants in it. So let's see what we got. Boy, a lot of roots in that one, not a lot of soil. There's a nice set of nodes. Oh, that's a nice one. Let's see what else we got hiding in there for that plant. That one's not too bad. And I got two more in here. I'm already starting to break it up. And I broke that one all up. But I still got quite a few nodes off of it. And one last one. Okay. Well, all in all, I can't really complain. Got a few nice sets of nodes. Quite a few that I broke off. But I'll be able to get enough out of those to plant next year, and there'll still be some left over to put in the dehydrator to turn into powder for this year. So I guess I can't complain. Not a huge yield like you'd look for in sweet potatoes or potatoes, but it's still a treasure hunt. And I found gold. Not bad. Well, that's all I've got for you, so we'll close this out, and I'll see you on the next video.